Closed captioning can be difficult, especially when following strict style guides like those required for Netflix or Amazon Prime. Let's take a look at how you can find and fix errors in your closed caption creator projects. There are several types of errors you may encounter in your projects. These can be content errors, like illegal characters, too many characters in a line, or too many lines in a subtitle event. There can also be timing errors. These might be captions that are not on screen long enough for viewers to read, missing gaps between captions, or overlapping captions. Closed Caption Creator is a professional subtitle editor that can help find and fix these caption errors. When authoring captions, it's important to be able to identify errors in real time. This helps save time later on when reviewing your work. Closed Caption Creator has real-time error detection that can help you do this. To configure real-time alerts, go to the Event Group settings and set the desired reading speed, maximum characters per line, maximum lines per event, and the minimum and maximum duration. Once the real-time alert thresholds have been set, errors will appear in the timeline as they are created. You can also navigate by errors using the Error Navigation panel located in the Quick Tools drawer. This will jump to the previous or next error based on your real-time alert settings for the event group. When reviewing another person's work, it's helpful to be able to generate a QC report or navigate by errors so that you can skip parts that are correct and focus only on parts where style guide rules are being broken. Closed Caption Creator's QC and Review panel can help you do this. Before running a QC report, you'll need to set up a new style guide. To create a new style guide, open the Style Guide Manager by going to the Options menu icon in the top right corner of the QC and Review panel. Click the New button and give your style guide a name. Fill out the style guide options based on your requirements. There are settings for content, timing, metadata, and formatting. When you're done, don't forget to hit the Save Changes button. Reset the QC and Review panel in order to have your new style guide appear. Click the Start button to run your style guide checks. This will generate a list of failed events. You can download this list as a report for Excel or Google Sheets. You can now start to review your errors by going through the list of failed events. Your project may have only a few errors, or there may be many errors depending on the source of your captions and style guide requirements. Now that you know how to find errors, let's move on to fixing them using the tools built into Closed Caption Creator. There are common errors that may appear in your projects, such as reading rate errors and formatting errors. To correct formatting and content errors, we provide the automatic formatting tool available by going to Format and choosing Auto Format Custom. This will format your events to match the requirements based on your settings. For example, convert 2-line captions to single lines, or convert 42 character captions to 32 for broadcast. To correct reading rate errors, we provide the Auto-Correct Reading Speed tool available by going to Timecode and selecting Auto-Correct Reading Speed. Auto-Correct Reading Speed can be set to correct reading speed for all events. It can fix overlaps created by the tool automatically, or by bypassing this option, users will be able to easily find spots where correcting reading rate may require manual intervention. To correct frame gap errors, you can go to the Insert menu and select Blank Frames. This will insert blank frames between events and even respect shot changes if shot change detection was previously run. By running these automated fixes, it will save you time and leave limited corrections to the captioner or QC operator. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. You can sign up for Closed Caption Creator by visiting www.closedcaptioncreator.com.